How to find deleted friends on Discord. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find deleted friends on Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first step is open up your Discord. So open up a Discord and make sure that you're logged in into your account. So let this load and now there we are. So as you can see, I have a friend right here, and if I open this up, you can just uh, talk to them and do whatever you want. So let me just remove this friend. So tap on remove, and after removing the friend, I can remove it from here as well. So let me tap on this cross, and there we go. Now I have just deleted the friend. Now to add that friend back, what we do is we can just head over to the search bar under add friends and search for that very friend's username. After searching for that, you can tap on send friend request. After tapping on send friend request, go to the captcha if you get one. And after going through this, you can then simply, you know, just send the friend request and add them back. As you can see, I've just successfully sent the friend request to my friend. Now they will need to simply, add me back and we'll be back on DMs again. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.